You lying, tricking, conniving bastard! There's only 2 frames on this, the rest is all blank.
Naturally. The rest are in Geneva. Sit down. I want to make a proposition to you.
Proposition?
Neither of us two is getting any younger.
That I'm painfully aware.
Have a drink. Once in Geneva, you and I, the microfilm, why don't we go into business together? Only this time, not for $5 million, but for £5 million.
You walk along the streets you knew, a stranger now who's reaching to the open arms, the healing touch, the feeling of an endless love. You learn to read between the lines, and though you smile, it hurts inside. You face the wall and miss the view. We had it all and never knew. There's only you and I looking through the eyes of love. This time there's no goodbye. Memories are not enough. You search only just to find your dreams, everything you left behind. In all the world, there's only you and I. The perfect fool begins again to see the light where shadows end. You understand as feeling show, the first to see